So this fall is going to be probably the most important time in US history when it comes to the crypto industry. We have the opportunity to make sweeping change, a change that is actually going to benefit the industry and not restrict it. Right now, we're not embracing innovation and development and change. What is happening right now is this industry is trying to be cast aside like a piece of garbage, and we're falling behind the rest of the world, right? You should want to keep crypto innovation here at home. You should want to keep blockchain innovation here at home. But instead, people are forced to move abroad. And this has become very apparent in the recent probably year and a half, 2 years or so. We have elected officials above us that are not working on our behalf. They're not working for us. They're working for their own benefit. All right. And this has become very apparent. People should be paying attention to this in a big way. And yesterday made this very, very obvious. Now, what happened yesterday is that there was actually a bill that went through the House. And what this is going to be trying to do is overturn this SEC rule that's preventing highly regulated financial firms from holding Bitcoin and crypto. So they're trying to, basically control what larger entities do. Banks, institutional money, obviously the American people as well. And what people need to remember is the SEC was never given this power in the first place. They shouldn't be able to make these rules that affect this industry when they're not supposed to be in here in the first place. We don't have securities. We have either commodities or digital property, one of the two. It's not securities. That's been proven in the courts now. Now, what's exciting about this, all right, is that this was actually a bipartisan vote. There was collaboration between both sides of the aisle. This is something that we don't see a lot. They tend to stick towards party lines pretty closely, but we can see that there is some overlap here. This is great. And this did pass through the House, so now it goes on to the Senate. Whether it'll make it past the Senate is another question entirely. Now, what is stupid about this is the Biden administration had come out and said that Biden would in fact veto this legislation that would allow this to happen, that would allow these highly regulated financial firms to custody Bitcoin and crypto. And specifically what they said in here was that this would limit the SEC's ability to maintain a comprehensive and effective financial regulatory framework for crypto assets, which again, they're not supposed to be in the first place. Do you guys see the overreach that's taking place right now? These entities are overstepping their boundaries. They are not doing what they were put in place to do in the first place. And this, I don't mean this to get, political or anything like that, but this fall we have an opportunity to make these changes, to put people into place that are pro crypto, to put ones in that actually see the way that the world is headed down, a path of crypto innovation, a path of development, a path of embrace. This wave is coming. All right. This wave for crypto is happening around the world. And it's a question of whether you choose to embrace it and ride the wave, or if you're going to try to swim through it and just get smacked right in the face. Right now, it's the smacked in the face way. All right. So that's all I wanted to say. We're seeing this big struggle take place right now, and it doesn't have to be a struggle. It really doesn't. Most people in the US are pro crypto. And in fact, most of them right now don't really care. All right. And I think that's where this kind of takes place. Now, me personally, this doesn't affect me at all. I'm about self-custody. I could really care less whether, banks or institutional money or whatever controls assets for customers. I understand that that's an onboarding tool and a security tool that some people may need and want. So to each their own. But those at the top shouldn't be saying whether that's okay or not. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. We can make some change this fall. I'll catch you in the next one.